Okay, so we have covered a lot of ground with this course. I really appreciate you sticking with it. I want to thank you for doing that. Let's recap what we've talked about so far. We've talked about why you should measure and automate code quality, and I hope that this became really clear throughout the course of what we talked about, that it's important to measure it, it's important to automate it. You care about the quality of the work that you and your team do. You care about having nice, clean, maintainable, secure code. These are some steps that you can take. They're not going to solve every problem, but they're going to solve a bunch of problems that you should never have to begin with. So I hope that you've become convinced that this is an important thing to do, and that I've shown you how easy it is to get this going. We talked about plugins for IntelliJ and for Eclipse, which are generally the ones that most people are going to be using for Java coding. We talked about Find Bugs, Check Style, and SonarLint. We've demonstrated how we can introduce issues into the code, have these plugins identify the issues, and then clean them up and see our code get better through applying these plugins. We've talked about SonarQube and SonarCloud, what the capabilities are and how you can use it. We walked through a SonarCloud implementation, including doing an initial analysis of our code using SonarCloud, and then seeing the dashboards and walking through a wide variety of tools that it gives us to be able to manage our code quality in an automated fashion. And then finally, we talked about how to pull all of this together by integrating SonarQube and SonarCloud with our developers' IDEs. So we've covered a lot of ground. I hope that you've really enjoyed it. I want to thank you for taking the time out to do this. I would love to get your feedback. So if you can shoot me an email, you can reach out and contact me. You can go to www.devplaybook.com. Over time, we're going to be developing a lot of different courses on how to effectively measure, monitor, scale, grow, and improve your development team and the code and the product that they deliver. So go to devplaybook.com. You can provide direct feedback about this course for me. You can also sign up for the newsletter so that we can stay in touch over time. Again, thank you so much, and happy coding.